Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would share with you guys how I sort of maintain my wet set, my vintage curls, throughout the week. So I wash and set my hair, I roll it in foam rollers, so I do a wet set once a week on Thursdays, and then I sort of maintain my curls throughout the week. And so right now you can see we're on day 5. And this is how we're doing. And that's pretty typical, especially in the winter months, which are a lot, drier. And so my curls last a lot better in the winter, which is, where we're at right now here in the US. But I do use these techniques all through the summer as well. So I just thought I would share with you guys what I do to make my curls last as long as I can. So day 1, I of course take out my foam rollers and I brush through everything, brushing the ends underneath into a page boy. And I've already shown you guys how I set my hair in a different video, so I will link to that video in the description box and up on the screen. Today I just inserted a comb on the left side to pull that back a little bit just for fun, and I insert a couple of crisscrossing bobby pins into the right side of my head where my bangs or fringe kind of naturally curve in toward my temple. Then I crisscross a couple of bobby pins in that spot just to keep things out of my eyes. And then since I don't like to back comb my hair, but I do like that little bit of volume that I'm getting right above my forehead, I am inserting one bobby pin from the top through the hair vertically down to my scalp so that it's sitting at kind of an upward angle hidden within the hair, and then I insert another one going still from the top down to my scalp but the opposite direction so that it crisscrosses over the first bobby pin, forming a nice solid X, and that keeps it really firm and keeps that volume in place all day. In the evening, when I'm getting ready for bed, this is my most preferred method of preparing my curls for sleep and giving them that little boost to help keep the curls as fresh as possible throughout the week. After I remove any bobby pins and combs that I had put in the morning, I section off the front section of my hair right above my forehead, and I roll 2 to 3 standing pin curls rolling away from my part. And then right behind that, I take one more section and roll it into one standing pin curl that rolls toward my head, toward my face. So this is the same pattern that I use for my setting pattern in this portion of my hair when I'm setting all of my hair every week. Then I take the front side sections of my hair from my ears up and I roll those sections toward my face into 1 or 2 flat pin curls. I secure them with one bobby pin each, and then I move on to the hair at the base of my skull. I take a small section at what I can best describe as the bottom corner of my hair, and probably about 1 inch square, and roll that into one flat pin curl toward my face, so away from the center of the back of my head. And then I take another section just next to the first section, horizontally closer to my spine, and roll that one in the same way, a flat pin curl rolled toward my face. So I wind up with 2 flat pin curls on each side of the base of my skull, or a row of 4 along the base of my skull, all rolling away from the center of the back of my head. I then scrunch all of my hair up into a hairnet and just sort of hook the rim of the hairnet in front of each of my pin curls, so it hooks around those pin curls and those bobby pins, and keeps it secure, and then I scrunch it up farther with a headscarf and pin that in place, and that is how I sleep. Day 2, I usually wear my hair down still. I mean, realistically, in the wintertime, I wear my hair down almost every day, and in the summertime, I wear it up almost every day. So I'll try to do a little combination of the two in this video just so you can see. But so I take my headscarf off, I take my hairnet off, I take out all of the pin curls, and I just brush it through like normal. In this specific day, on Saturday, I decided to go ahead and scrunch up my bangs or my fringe into a little pile of curls at the, like offset on the top of my forehead to sort of like a short curly bangs, and then tie a headscarf around my head like a headband, and went with that look. For sleep on Saturday, I did the exact same thing that I had done on Friday, the only difference being that I did a row of 3 standing pin curls along my forehead instead of the 2 from Friday night, and I did 1 pin curl at each temple instead of 2 pin curls at each temple. On Sunday, I decided to wear my hair up just so that you guys could see something different, and I also have a hair tutorial on YouTube for this style, so I'm not going to go into too much detail, but basically I'm just combing through the top portion of my hair, sandwiching it in a banana clip, scrunching it up, pinning it in place, and popping a hairnet over the top, and then I do the front in however I feel like it, usually pulling it back with a couple of combs and pinning the excess hair into a couple of flat pin curls against my head. Sunday night, I followed the same procedure that I had the last 2 nights. So pin curls around my hairline and scrunching the rest up into a hairnet. Monday, I just decided to wear my hair down again, so I just brushed it out like I had before, and once again, I inserted a couple of crisscrossing bobby pins, into the sides of my hair to keep it out of my face, and a couple more vertical crisscrossing bobby pins to keep that volume right above my forehead. On Monday night, I decided to show you guys one of my other favorite techniques for preserving my curls. So after doing all of the same pin curls around my hairline, I separate my hair into 2 straight down the back of my head. I then take the sort of front side section of my hair and pull it away and brush through it. So you can see that I have left the hair that comes down from my crown because I want that to stay long. It helps to keep that nice U shape in the back of my hair when I'm brushing it out in the morning. So I brush out this section of hair and then I roll it toward my face into a gigantic pin curl and I secure it with 4 to 6 crisscrossing bobby pins. I brush through the lower side section of my hair and, pin it into another giant pin curl, and then I do the same thing on the other side of my head. So I wind up with 4 gigantic pin curls all rolling toward my face. I then stick a hairnet over the top and then put a scarf on and go to sleep. You can see on Tuesday morning that when I am brushing my hair through, when I did the style of curl preservation that I had done on the night before, it gives like a slightly smoother page boy look. So not quite as fluffy and, I don't know, crazy, but definitely still very, very vintage appropriate. So after I put those same pin curls around my hairline, this time I did skip the ones at the base of my skull just to give those hairs a break. Then I brush through all of my hair until it's really nice and detangled and smooth. And then I'm just leaving my hair out, but I'm going to roll it underneath. So following the curl that it kind of already has going, roll it up underneath, all the way up to where it's attached to my head and just kind of mash it flat. And then lay down and sleep that way. The method that I used on Tuesday night is kind of hit and miss as far as how well it preserves my curls, depending on, how much I move around in my sleep. But this is what it looks like on this week on Wednesday morning. So you can see there is still some curl there, but definitely not as much. So I decided to pull it back after brushing it. I stuck a couple of combs in the sides, pulled it back and secured it with a wide barrette. And I had a little straggler curl that I just pinned in place as a flat pin curl on my head. And then I just piled my bangs into a little bundle of curls at the, on my forehead and pinned them in place. Wednesday night, I did the exact same thing that I had done on the previous night, except I did not spritz any water on the curls on the top of my head. I often wear my hair up on the last day or two of my wet set just because it gets to feeling a little bit heavy, I guess, close to my scalp, and that's a lot less noticeable when my hair is up. So Thursday, or day 7, I decided to do another updo. After brushing everything through and pulling the front side sections back with combs, I separate the back portion of my hair into 2 sections and twist each section into a low bun, twisting each one away from the center of the back of my head and securing each one with several crisscrossing bobby pins. Then I put a hairnet over the top, twisting it as I cross over from one bun to the other so that that twist goes between the 2 buns. So it's kind of like a figure 8. Then I insert a few more pins to secure it in place. I actually noticed a woman in the movie It's a Wonderful Life wearing her hair in a very similar manner, so it's a 1940s appropriate style. This time I arranged the front into 3 sort of overlapping pin curls, but in the past I have either just done like a pile of curls, kind of like a poodle, or sometimes just one very large flat pin curl. Well, we are at day 7 already, so back to Thursday, which is obviously the last day of what I consider to be my wet set week. So tonight I will wash and set my hair and start the whole process over again. And like I think I said earlier, at least, this isn't like the exact way that I preserve my wet set every single week, and these aren't the exact hairstyles, that I wear every single week, but it's just a fairly typical example of how I do my hair throughout the week. So my hair is quite fine, and I have a lot of it, and it's naturally fairly straight. It has a little bit of a wave, but not much. So depending, on your hair type, these techniques may or may not work super well for you, but if nothing else, I just find it fun to see how other people do it. I know there are a few other YouTubers who have done videos like this in the past, and I really enjoyed them, especially when I was starting out dressing in vintage styles. So I will list their YouTube channels in the description box if I can think of them. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you have like favorite methods for preserving your curls or just preserving whatever your preferred hairstyle is, I would love to hear about it down in the comments. So leave me a comment below with your thoughts. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.